Well, hi everyone, I'm Dr. Leanne and this is Haley. Haley's been with us at Sunstone Clinic now for 4 months. She first started with us on September 26th in 2015. And so in this 4 months she's had developed quite a story to share with you all. So how did you first hear about our office, Haley?
Well, I first heard of the Maximize Living office through one of my siblings who came here after a basketball injury, and she raved about her results and how much it helped her. So I thought this was something that could give me better results than what I had been seeing.
Okay, nice. And so at the time, what was life like for you?
I could best describe my life before coming here as very limited. I had called other chiropractic offices and seen massage therapists for help, to which no one could provide any relief because of a herniation I have on my L4, L5 discs. So they were all very a little tender to touch it, and they couldn't provide any help. So I suffered from multiple health problems such as other severe migraines, problems sleeping, and syncope, as well as from the migraine. I had some symptomatic problems such as numbness in my feet and hands. But the more I came here and learned about correcting my spine and my posture, it became clear that this was something that was going to be meant for me.
And so how long was it? Everybody's different, but how long was it before you first noticed change happening?
I first noticed my changes coming very quickly. After the first few visits, it came slowly, but it started to progress very quickly. I did take a couple steps back and one step forward, and eventually it just started all to come together, and I feel a lot more relief in my back.
Nice, you're doing great. And so at the time of your first visit, what was your goal coming in here?
Well, my first goal was to at least try to find some pain relief, if that was possible. But it was also trying to lose weight through exercise and healthier living. I had seen an orthopedic surgeon in regards to my spine herniation, whose recommendation at the time was to lose weight or have surgery to remove it, which surgery at 22 is not something I was comfortable with, especially if removing it was just going to ease the symptoms rather than the pain. So.
All right, so where are you now in your health journey?
The current status of my health now has improved greatly by leaps and bounds. I keep stretching my goals to go further and be healthier in my day-to-day life. I attend the office at least once to twice a week, which has given me immense relief in my spine and shoulders, so I'm much more capable of doing daily exercises, and I really focus on eating healthier. The biggest change I did note was in my migraines, which I never expected to come from just coming to a chiropractic office or anything like that. But after suffering from crippling migraines for almost 3 years, I can now say that I am almost free of migraines. I don't suffer from any syncope episodes, and I haven't had any pharmaceutical medications for them in almost 3 months.
Oh, that's great. So you, in addition to getting chiropractic care, you've also, from what you said there, you've put in other of the 4 essentials. And what changes have you noticed that you haven't maybe mentioned just yet?
I've also noticed that I sleep better, and the numbness and symptoms from the back herniation have diminished greatly. I almost don't feel it at all anymore.
Wonderful. And what are your, what are your new goals for yourself now?
My new goals are to work on my maximized nutrition, so I'd like to start focusing on where my food comes from rather than just picking up a box off the shelf. I focus on fruits and vegetables and more specialized organic eating. I'd also like to work on my maximized lean tissue and oxygen by increasing my daily exercise to at least walking once a day. And I'm currently beginning to work on my maximized mindset to try and stay focused, positive, and keep myself motivated.
Excellent. Okay, and what advice do you have for anyone who might be listening?
For anyone I could give advice to, I would say to start now. I had put it off for so long, couldn't find anybody, and to come here and find that relief so quickly was such an inspiration to me that I can now move on with my life and don't have to worry about feeling daily pain or suffering or trying to sleep and tossing and turning, and it was just incredible that I could find all the help I needed at one place.
That is so great. We're so happy to be able to help you.
Well,
thank you so much. Yeah. Okay.